I've researched and tested some of the best vacuum cleaners in order to find the best one. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the best vacuum is for you in 2023. Like the Dyson Ball Animal 2 Pro, which is easy to use, powerful, with some unrivaled features seen in a modern vacuum. By the way, this video isn't sponsored. Dyson or anyone else didn't pay me to make this video, and these are all my honest opinions. With that said, the Dyson Ball Animal 2 Pro is a great vacuum and does have a unique design that's easy to steer and offers enough suction power to consistently eliminate embedded dirt, making it a great all-around vacuum cleaner. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 Pro is a bagless, corded, upright vacuum cleaner that offers impressive maneuverability on most floor types, a self-adjusting floor head, and ample cleaning power for stubborn messes. It's somewhat bulky compared to other Dyson offerings, such as the V15 Detect Absolute I'll mention later, but it has a unique plastic ball that sits between the cleaning head and the dust canister that allows for easy steering around corners or in tight spaces. It can't be converted into a handheld vacuum like other models on this list, but the wand is attached to an extension tube and can be detached from the back to clean high spaces or underneath furniture. Even more, it has a 0.48 gallon dustbin that's easy and hygienic to empty, along with an allergen-trapped HEPA filter. It delivers impassive suction power and has a switch on the floor head that allows you to toggle through 3 different speed settings for anything from smaller messes to more in-depth cleaning. It delivers excellent performance on bare floors and most kinds of carpet. I also like that it doesn't get extremely loud while in use, so you can use it at almost any time of day. Unfortunately, the cleaning head doesn't have LEDs to illuminate dirt particles, but the floor head can self-adjust its height for optimized performance on different surfaces, and it comes with several additional cleaning tools. Also, I should mention I've included options for all budget ranges. So if this Dyson isn't your favorite, or you don't want to spend a lot of money, I'll have you covered later in this video. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 Pro is a quality vacuum that comes with a self-adjusting floor head to remain effective on most floorings and impressive suction power to eliminate most dirt or debris in a single pass. If you have multiple types of floor in your home or pets and want a powerful vacuum that works well in almost any situation, this is a great choice for you. If you want to know the exact pricing on this Dyson or any other products I mentioned in this video, check the links in the description. Next up, some people might be looking for an upright vacuum that's easy to steer around the house, comfortable to use, and can consistently eliminate built-up dirt. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is exactly that, and it's my choice as the best upright vacuum in 2023. Shark's Navigator Lift-Away Professional Vacuum Cleaner is an efficient option that comes with 2 cleaning modes for greater versatility, a 2-in-1 design for hard-to-reach areas, and enough power to clean harder floors or rugs. It has a relatively quick and intuitive setup process, and it comes with a versatile 2-in-1 design that can be used as an upright vacuum for cleaning floors or as a handheld option for difficult-to-reach areas. It's a bit heavy, at around 13.7 pounds in upright mode, but it has a sturdy build and high capacity, 2.2 dry quart dust cup to tackle larger messes. In addition, it utilizes complete seal technology and a built-in HEPA filter to trap most allergens as you clean, which makes it a great choice for households with pets. You also get a solid 5-year warranty to ensure long-term performance. It's not as powerful as higher-end models like the Dyson V15 I'll mention later, but it offers impressive suction power and impressive performance when removing caked-on dirt on harder floors or rugs. It comes with 2 separate cleaning modes for various floor types, including a dedicated setting for bare floors and a mode that activates the motorized floor brush to efficiently clean carpets, though it might require a few passes for optimal results. Even more, you get a crevice tool for tighter areas, a dusting brush for delicate surfaces like upholstery, and an extension wand to increase your reach. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is an upright vacuum that comes with a solid capacity, a range of useful accessories, and effective all-around cleaning performance on various floor types. This is an excellent option if you want an upright vacuum cleaner that's easy to empty or clean and can quickly vacuum larger areas with impressive results. Some people might be looking for a lightweight vacuum with several great features, good battery life, and powerful cleaning for a reasonable price. The Tineco Pure One S11 checks all these boxes, which makes it my choice as the best vacuum cleaner for the money in 2023. Not everyone has hundreds of dollars to spend on a premium vacuum, and the Tineco Pure One S11 is a much more cost-effective model that comes with good battery life and similar cleaning performance to more expensive models. It has a lightweight design that's easy to move around and should remain comfortable to use. Can be used as a regular stick vacuum or a handheld tool to clean inaccessible spaces like corners. It has a convenient cordless design and a solid battery that can deliver around 40 minutes of cleaning time per charge to tackle medium-sized jobs, along with a convenient LED screen that shows battery level indicators. It doesn't quite offer the capacity of the previously mentioned Shark Navigator, but it has a 0.6-liter dustbin that's appropriate for medium-sized spaces. Features a high-performance digital motor that can deliver 130 watts of suction power to clean various particle sizes and surfaces, including bare floors, rugs, and medium pile carpet, without generating too much noise. Though it can get stuck on shag pile carpet, the iLoop smart sensor technology is a standout feature, and it automatically detects the size of mess and adjusts the suction power for optimal performance. Unlike the Dyson V15 I'll mention next, it has a locking lever that allows for continuous power when cleaning, so it'll be comfortable to use over longer periods. Is the Tineco Pure One S11 the perfect choice for everyone? Not quite, as it lacks the power found on more expensive models, but it still delivers impressive suction power and can reliably clean stubborn dirt or dander from several types of flooring. If you don't want to spend too much, but still want a vacuum that can get the job done and keep your home clean, this is the perfect option for you. Next up, some people might want a compact cordless vacuum that's easy to move, but can still deliver thorough cleaning performance. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is a powerful, lightweight option, and it's my choice for the best cordless vacuum cleaner in 2023. With its built-in laser to target dust particles, lightweight cordless design, solid battery life, and outstanding suction power, the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute offers excellent cleaning capabilities on just about any surface. It comes with a balanced and relatively lightweight design that weighs around 7 pounds, and it has a cordless stick design that allows you to move it around as needed, despite its lightweight design. It offers impressive battery life and can last for around 60 minutes of cleaning per charge, which is longer than cheaper cordless models such as the previously mentioned Tineco Pure One S11, and it has an auto power setting that automatically adjusts the suction power based on the surface. In addition, it has a built-in laser that illuminates dirt particles, a user-friendly display, and an improved filtration system that can eliminate up to 99.9% of household irritants. It utilizes multiple heads, including a laser slim fluffy head and a general-purpose high-torque cleaning head that delivers outstanding cleaning performance on harder floors. Overall, it can effectively clean most surfaces and performs well on most types of carpet, but it can be somewhat hard to move at higher settings on long pile carpets. It can also deliver an impressive 230 AQ of suction power to reliably eliminate most per dander and small particles, though it lacks a convenient continuous power button. The 0.75-liter dustbin isn't the largest on the list, but it's very easy to empty and suitable for medium to large size spaces. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is a lightweight and cordless vacuum cleaner that offers an outstanding range of motion, several useful accessories, and outstanding results with more demanding tasks. This is an excellent choice if you want a highly effective vacuum cleaner that's lightweight, easy to store, but can still deliver top-tier cleaning power. If you're looking for the vacuum cleaner that offers the best combination of cleaning radius, tank capacity, overall cleaning power, the Miele Complete C3 Marin is my choice as the best overall vacuum cleaner in 2023. The Miele Complete C3 Marin is likely too expensive for many people, but it's a powerful vacuum that comes with a high-capacity tank, multiple speed settings, and class-leading power to eradicate stubborn embedded particles. It has a canister-style design that's relatively compact and wheels on the bottom for easier maneuverability around the house, but it weighs around 20 pounds, so some people might find it difficult to lift. It has a massive dustbin that offers an exceptional 1.2-gallon capacity to clean your entire home. Even more, it has a telescopic wand function and 24-foot long power cord that provides a wide 36-foot cleaning radius. It has a one-touch automatic rewind function for when it's not in use. It also features built-in lights to eliminate dirt particles, a HEPA air clean filter to prevent dust from becoming airborne, and more. The 1200-watt motor delivers more cleaning power than cheaper models, such as the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Pro, to eradicate stubborn dirt, dander, or grime. It features 6 cleaning modes via the foot switch to provide an appropriate amount of power for different surfaces, including dedicated modes for curtains, deep pile carpet, hard floor, upholstery, and more. It offers top-tier cleaning performance and can reliably eliminate debris of most sizes. And unlike most other vacuums, it performs well on everything from bare hardwood floors to all carpet heights and densities. You also get a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and a crevice nozzle. The Miele Complete C3 Marin is a premium-grade vacuum cleaner that comes with an exceptional cleaning radius, a built-in HEPA filter, and a powerful motor that can safely remove dirt or grime from any surface. If you can afford the price and want a high-end vacuum cleaner, offers unmatched cleaning performance, this is the best vacuum for you. If you liked the video, give it a like, and links to the most updated pricing on all products are in the description below. You never know when these might go on sale, so you can check those out.